Hindi mo kailangan mag-trade araw-araw. Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, paggising ko, bukas agad ng PC, banat agad, bili agad, put up agad ng trade. Sabi ko, okay lang yan, basta may stop loss ako. Not knowing na I'm putting myself on a bad position. Why? Because hindi ko kino-consider yung overall market sentiment. Okay, ano ba yung ginagawa ni BTC? Ano ba yung ginagawa ng mga blue chip coins? Okay, so ano ba yung right setup for this right market sentiment? Wala ako nun, basta nasa up gainers, basta sinabi ni Guru, sige, birahin na natin agad yan. But you have to remember this, take note of this, that the market will not give you equal opportunities every day. Ang trading, hindi yan parang normal na trabaho na araw-araw ka kikita. May mga araw na dapat AFK ka or away from keyboard kasi alam mo na yung setup na tinitrade mo ay hindi akma dun sa market sentiment na ginagawa ni BTC o ng mother coin. So number 1 lesson that I want to give you, do not trade every day.